beloved people who cannot sit at home, thank you so much for joining me. Today, I am continuing my Vlogmas. Thank you so much for being here. Check out the other days. And today is going to be a fun little DIY project that has been actually in the making in the last 5 years. And I'll explain why. So, I have this backpack. It is in a very rough shape. It is in a rough shape because, like, for example, over here, this is the pocket. There's a hole in it. There's really no function. Over here at the very top, the cover also is torn off completely, so it needs to be sewed back in. By the way, I don't have a sewing machine, so this is gonna be fun. This is a Soviet Union era backpack. This is my dad's backpack from when he was probably 20, and he gave it to me. He didn't really need it. And I actually use it when I go to cottage pretty much every month, so it's been used and abused, so I want to improve it. But not only that, this is the 5 years of development. I have over here patches from various travels, from the States, some from Europe, some from Canada, that I want to all stick onto it. And that is why I knew I wanted to do this for about 5 years. I never had the time. I finally have the time, and we're gonna do it. Currently I have 20 patches. I'm not totally sure how they're all gonna fit onto the backpack. I'll try my best. I'll show you how it goes. Let's go. Okay, over here I want to show you my patches that I have collected over the 5 years. And let's start, why don't we start with America? So this was actually pretty much, this was before COVID. I went to Arizona, one of the best trips. Absolutely love Arizona. If you can ever go, please go. And that's, as I understand, the Arizona flag. And over here is the Grand Canyon, which we hiked. It was so much fun. This is California, so that is again flag of California. Yet another, I don't even know what I like more, Arizona or California. Probably California. I really love LA. Anyway, the California though also had Solvang, which is this cool Dutch town. It's very unique. It's like you're in Europe, pretty much in the middle of California. If you're ever there, you have to check it out. Recently I went to Orlando. There are a number of videos about it. This is Walt Disney World, and they only actually had, this is Pluto? Pretty sure it's Pluto. They didn't have Mickey, which was interesting. They had like everything, but not Mickey. Anyway, I do like him. This is from Harry Potter. This is from the Universal Studios, also from Orlando. I can't say that I'm a huge Slytherin fan. It's just really beautiful. That's why I got it. I like to think of myself as Gryffindor. I'm getting really nerdy here. I think we all want to think of ourselves as Gryffindor. Kennedy Space Center, amazing space center, also in Orlando, Florida, a little bit like east of Orlando, Florida, about an hour. And I did a video about it. Amazing place. You have to check it out if you ever go. By the way, I never buy patches that are not like absolutely something that I absolutely loved. All of these are mementos, memories of some amazing times. Joshua Tree National Park, yet another absolutely amazing park in California. That was from the same California trip. Loved it. For Europe, I only have the European Union and the USSR. I was born there, so I have to have it. Now for the Canada, we have the Point Pelee National Park. So this is the most southern point, the most continental southern point of Ontario. There are a couple of islands that are even further. That could be argued is the most southern point. But Point Pelee is an amazing park. They also have a lot of these monarch butterflies. I think usually in, I want to say August. I could be wrong about this, but there's like lots of them. Really beautiful. Of course, you have a free shuttle bus that takes you all the way closer to the point. By myself, the water was really cold, but so beautiful. It actually felt like it's an ocean. And over here, I am at the very tip of the Ontario. So this is the most southern point of Ontario. Of course, Niagara Falls, that was a while back. Love this. This actually pretty special to me. So I don't know what year this is. It doesn't say. It is definitely vintage. It is from Toronto, Canada, and this is Ontario patch. Yeah, I don't know what year it is. I got this from the Cookstown Antique Market, which is a beautiful antique market, about an hour north of Toronto. If you haven't been, you need to go. It's amazing. Haliburton Forest. We were there for the Wolf Center, yet another amazing place. This is just for fun. I think I got this from a company. Oh, I wish I remembered their name. They were so cool. This was from One of a Kind show that I got. These two, pretty special to me. So Killarney Provincial Park and Hike Silver Peak. This is after I hiked the Silver Peak in Killarney Provincial Park, and overall Killarney Provincial Park, probably my favorite park in Ontario. Yeah, I can't think of any other park that I love more. Absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't been, you need to do the Crack, of course. I don't think they had the Crack patch, and also Silver Peak. I would say the Crack is more doable. You just need to have really good shoes. Silver Peak was like a whole day thing. You need to kayak there and then walk and climb up. It was crazy. I loved it. And just a general, let's explore Canada. Don't remember where I got it from. This is what this blog, this YouTube channel is all about, exploring Canada. So just making sure to take out all of the packaging, which... And this one, because it's vintage, doesn't have any glue on the back. By the way, what's funny is that none of the papers, none of the packaging came with any instructions. Pretty hilarious, considering there's like 20 of these things here. So we're gonna wing it. And I am warming up the iron right now. Here it is. Okay, let's think where I'm gonna position stuff. So I don't know why, but I feel like I need some kind of padding behind my backpack. And for the backpack, I'm gonna start with the lid, quote unquote, the top of it. So this is where the straps are, and this is that torn up lid that I still need to attach, and I'll do it after I do all of the gluing. Let's think where goes what. I'm thinking maybe Canada should go here because it's like the front, and the location needs to be this way because that's the front. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one because I have an extra one of this. So if it goes bad, I know what to do. How many seconds? I don't know how many seconds. So I just had a major mess up. Over here at the edges, that black plastic, yeah, that's not supposed to go on the iron. And look at this. Now I gotta clean the iron. So the way I cleaned it, and I'm still cleaning, is just a tissue paper. I unplugged the iron, waited for about 3 minutes so that it's not crazy hot, but also so that it's not very cold, because then it's going to be even harder. Seems to work. I'm sure there's an easier way. If you know it, write it down below. Okay, so only one of them, this one, is attached. Because I can't figure out how to not burn these edges, I'm going to do all of them together other than these ones. These ones I'm going to do later. I'm hoping, because the size of the iron is like here, so I can't really go outside. Anyway, trying to make this work. So I just realized I never showed you the full backpack. This is how it looks when it's filled. And over here it opens. This is the little pocket. This is the one that's broken, and this is also broken. But this is starting to look good. So some of it at the tops didn't glue, but I think I can try one more time. These guys are good, 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 good. Good. This is not good. So the sticky worked, but for some reason, actually, and the sticky is really, I guess this is old, I don't know. This is pretty solid. This is pretty solid, but that was pretty, I guess I'm gonna have to sew that. So I'm thinking American side is gonna go on here. And I also want it to be from the center out so that I have something, because I'm sure it's gonna take me another 5 years to do the new edition. And I'm gonna try to fit them all in as close as possible. And nothing is gonna go here because you will not see this. I also need to figure out some kind of, because everything over here fell apart. So I need some kind of hooks over here. All right, let's do this. I'm thinking the American patches are gonna look like this. So we have Arizona, we have California, we have Florida, the theme parks. We have Florida again, and this is again California. But I kind of want to balance it out because I'm going to put it here, then I'll have a hole here. I guess I could put the USSR and Europe here. They don't go. It's a different thing. I'm thinking USSR on the side and Europe on the side too. Just kind of neater like that. So yeah, I'm going to do that, even though it's not according to the States. Mickey Mouse was just a sticker. You literally unstick it. It would have been nice if that said on the packaging, because I heated it for so long. Now it's just very hot, but it still sticks. But this is definitely the easier one. That's it. It's just a sticker. This one is decent. This is the best. Also very good. A little bit corners, okay. This one, nothing. I kept on pressing, nothing. There's no layer here, and it does look like there's glue. What am I doing wrong? I can always sew this on, that's not a problem. I'm just a little surprised. So it is starting to come together, still lots of sewing to do. USSR one went on, probably also one of the best ones, just smoothly. And for some reason, European Union didn't even glue. So I don't know what to do, I'm gonna sew that on. Now, before I start sewing these imperfections, I need to figure out what the heck to do here. So I have only one here. Another one is missing, it was here, and there were 2 ties up here. My only thought, really only thought, is this bag. I never use it. This is my like in the car bag, but it's really nice actually. And it has this handle, so I'm thinking if I just take this and this, I'm gonna have to glue gun it, which I absolutely hate doing because that's not a practical way, but I just don't see any other way of attaching it, at least right now. And I know if I don't do this now, it's going to be another 5 years of it being like that. So I need to do something. This is just glue gunned and it looks fine, but it's going to come off definitely. So I don't know. I need to figure out how to permanently attach it. Maybe my mom has a sewing machine. Maybe it's possible. I will definitely need to ask her. If not, I will just need to find a fabric like this, take out the leather and just use the fabric like over here to just attach this part to this, that I can just sew. But it does look pretty cool. I am definitely very happy with this look, and comes off pretty easily. So here's the final result. At the top I've already showed you. We have now Europe on this side, the USSR on this one, and over here we have the Americas. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I had to definitely manually stitch some of them. I might actually stitch more because, like, for example, these 2 are excellent. These 2 are good too, but this one partially not great. So I might need to go and stitch it, this corner also. The things I learned about this is that, first of all, don't wait too long. I think the glue kind of is, you know, goes bad with the years. Though the Ontario one, surprisingly, the vintage one, it looks like it's from the 80s probably, is excellent. Really nice glue. I don't know, maybe it's the quality of glue. So anyway, don't wait too long. And overall, I actually really love this. I think it makes it really fun, very cool backpack. And I'm gonna continue over here with whatever new travels, and over here with whatever new travels. Hope you enjoyed this, and definitely check out the next video that's gonna come out tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.